This photograph costs 280 bucks. This one costs 190 bucks. This one will set you back $300, and so on. You can do this as many times as you want because you don't need a camera, you won't have to take any images of yourself, you won't require new social media followers, and I'll show you how to do it in less than 10 minutes. It's all virtually done for you, and it's a website we've never used before. People from all over the world are literally making hundreds of thousands of dollars using this website, with some even making nearly $500,000. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. So first and foremost, this is the website where you can complete tasks in less than 10 minutes. This isn't a website where you can earn money. Rather, it's a platform where you can get those photographs done in under 10 minutes. So, the second website where people are making literally hundreds of thousands of dollars can make you hundreds of dollars. But first, let's look at the website that pays people a lot of money for their photos. I'll show you how to make those photos first so you can start making money. So, first and foremost, let's look at how you can get those photographs for free. This is the website we're working on right now. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of various templates that you can use to create professional-looking designs by dragging and dropping. So simply click here to learn more about the different types of designs you may create with this tool. You can make social graphics, add text, and apply design filters or animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and produce high-quality designs with this website, and that's exactly what we'll be focused on. They also have other functions such as producing web pages and short videos, but we'll be focused on photographs that we can generate in minutes, publish quickly, and then get paid with the website that I'm about to share with you in a minute. Now, even if you don't have a laptop or a computer, you can still do this with just your phone because their app is available for both iOS and Android. Simply go to the App Store or Google Play and search for the app of this site and install this free app to create those images on your phone, and you'll still be able to earn hundreds of dollars per image. To make a free account, you may sign up using your email or Adobe ID. I've found that signing up with Facebook is the quickest and easiest way to join up though, so I'll just click on Proceed with Facebook and it'll immediately send you to your fresh new account. You'll be able to view all of the different templates from this website once you register a new account. You have a ton of various graphic designs to choose from, and they're all pretty much done for you. Simply modify the wording and you'll have your own unique design from which you can generate hundreds of dollars using a website that I'll provide with you. You can also make Instagram stories, Instagram post, Facebook post, photo collage, print presentation, slideshows, branded photos, and even bespoke sizes using the various templates available. You may make flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and so on. So, for example, if I want to use the flyer design template, I'll simply click on it to demonstrate how simple it is. I only have to wait for my design to load my template so I can fully personalize it. I can alter the virtually everything, and all you have to do is double-click on the text and enter in whatever you want. For example, if I type in cash flow and then click Done, the image will change. On the right-hand side, you can also customize colors, fonts, sizes, and virtually everything else. You can add different shapes, shadows, animations, and so on. And on the left-hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So it's really easy to use because it's already 99% done for you. All you have to do is change the effects and save it to your computer. Now, let's say I want to type in cash flow once again. I'll click Done. Now it'll look like this. If I want to change the background image, I can do that as well. I can click Replace or Remove Background or add different filters to my own background. If we want to replace an image, for example, I can use this one and see how it appears. If I don't like it, I can change it to this one. Maybe this one will look a little bit better, so it's definitely entirely configurable. It's also quite straightforward to use, and you can make a variety of various designs using those templates. You can create flyer designs, social media designs like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter posts, YouTube thumbnails, ebook covers, book covers, and so on and so forth. And once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here to instantly download this image to your computer, or you can click the download button right here to download the high quality version of this image. You may do it that way, or if you want to remove the watermark, open up a snipping tool or any other snapshot software that you have on your computer and take a screenshot of this image, excluding the bottom watermark, and you're good to go. So that's how simple and easy it is to get those designs done with Spark. It literally takes less than 10 minutes because the templates are already 99% complete. Now, let me show you a website that will actually pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you generate with Adobe Spark. You can go to spark.adobe.com or download their app from the Play Store or Android or the App Store for iOS and search for Adobe Spark and you'll see this. And the website will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark, and it's called DesignCrowd.com. This is over at DesignCrowd.com, where you'll get paid for all the different designs for logos, business cards, web designs, flyers, and graphic designs that you can all create with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes, and let me show you how. If I go to Designers and select Graphic Designers, for example, you'll be able to see people from all over the world making money. You'll see people from Serbia making $35,000 with this website, India making $27,000, and so on. If we take logo designers as an example, we can see that people are making even more money. This person has made $291,000. This person from the Philippines has made $244,000. This person from India has made $265,000, and so on. There's a lot of money to be made on DesignCrowd.com. It's a great website that pays a large amount of money for designs that take less than 10 minutes to complete. So if you take a look at the jobs section right now, we can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for it. You can create anything from business card designs to flyer designs, poster designs, postcard designs, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube designs, Twitter designs, and everything else that we saw on their previous website in under 10 minutes. With Adobe Spark, for example, if you want to specialize on flyer designs, you can click on that and discover several tasks that are now accessible. There are currently 4 jobs open, and I can submit my designs and get paid $280 for one single image that I submit over here. That's just for one single design that I can complete in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark, and I can get paid $190 just for this project alone. And there will be new jobs coming in all the time, so you'll never run out of jobs to complete within all of those sections. Of course, 2 jobs isn't much, but that's only under the flyer design department, where you may choose from banner ad designs, app designs, icon designs, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. Let's take Facebook designs as an example. There are now no jobs available, but as you can see, there were over 300 Facebook design jobs open previously, all earning hundreds of dollars for a single image. So just submit one single image and you have the chance to get paid hundreds of dollars, and then you can also provide other design services, for example, use graphic designs, and under graphic design section, you have 14 graphic design jobs open right now today. Now, by the time you're watching this video, there might be more, there might be less, but there will be new jobs coming in all the time. So once again, there will never be a shortage of jobs to complete, and each one pays hundreds of dollars. This one pays $110 for a single design, $190, $190, $190, 200 pounds, which is about $230, and so on and so forth. To get started with DesignCrowd.com, simply go to this website and click Join for free with this button right here. Enter your email address, create a password, and click Let's Go. Once you've signed up and logged in to your brand new account, you can begin browsing all of these different jobs, and once you've found one that suits you, you can simply click Submit your design to make money. Now, since many of you have asked me how you can actually cash out money from the website and how you can actually withdraw your earnings from the website, I'd like to explain to you exactly how simple and easy it is. Once you start making money, go to your profile right here and click Profile Settings. Then select Payout on the left-hand side and then enter your payment details. In this case, I put my PayPal email address since I want to be paid through PayPal, so my payout method is PayPal. You may add however you want to be paid by clicking on Add a Payout Method, and that's how you collect your profits and withdraw your money after you begin earning money. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comment section below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.